Go.
Mm.
There are 8 birds resting on a tree. And another six birds came to rest on the same tree. How many birds are there?
Sige. What are you going to do?
Right there.
Di-analyze.
Wait. What's it? Here?
Hmm.
Plus six equals
Di-add.
hmm,
8 plus 6. Pag-line. Make a lines.
with the line.
Hmm.
Galing.
Lines. Oh. Make lines. So, here. Here ka mag-line. There.
11.
Dere. Okay, pag-line there. There.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mm-hmm.
I will make a circle of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Mm-hmm. So, the answer is, there are how many birds?
14.
Ano mo ng 14? There are 14 what?
14 birds.
Where are the birds man resting?
It's a tree.
Very good. Next question.
There's 12. There's 12 frogs are enjoying their swim in the pond, but there's 6 frogs were hungry and they left to look for
4.
food. How many frogs left in the pond?
What are you going to do? Are you going to multiply to plus, to
Plus.
minus?
Plus.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It says there are 12 frogs are enjoying their swim in the pond, but the 6 frogs were hungry and they left. Did you get it? They left, they go. So how many frogs are left in the pond?
Minus.
Very good. Okay. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So take away the 6. How many are there left?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you sure? Again. Line it again.
Line proper.
Line it properly. Okay. Oh, not too close to. One,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. So the answer is
6.
there are 6 frogs left.
Left.
Where? Asa man? Sa? There are 6 frogs left in the what? Where?
Pond.
Oh, very good. Very good, Chikay na. Oh, done na.